consistent Brix percentage confirms the honey's optimal density and purity.
Filtered and standardized, the honey is stored in vast quantities.
A rapid cool ensures each seal is permanent and tamper-proof.
Final blending ensures absolute uniformity in every gram.
The end of the line. A simple choice on a global shelf.
The journey from hive to sachet begins here.
Raw honey rests, allowing natural impurities to rise. A consistent Brix percentage confirms the honey's optimal density and purity.
Approved raw honey arrives for its automated transformation.
Filtered and standardized, the honey is stored in vast quantities.
The pipeline delivers the raw honey into the primary heating tunnel. A precisely controlled temperature zone maintains the smooth, laminar flow.
Gentle, precise heat adjusts viscosity for flawless filling.
Final blending ensures absolute uniformity in every gram.
The primary distribution manifold splits the single stream into multiple lines. A worker monitors the digital pressure gauge to one of the distribution lines feeds this high-speed rotary filling carousel, a complex assembly of stainless steel nozzles accelerating into motion.
Precision guides every empty sachet into position.
Microliter precision. Nothing is wasted.
A rapid cool ensures each seal is permanent and tamper-proof.
Zero defects. The standard is absolute.
Each portion is protected for its global journey.
Automated packing with zero tolerance for error.
Each box receives its digital identity.
Sealed for strength, ready for the world.
Robotics build pallets with superhuman precision and strength. Every pallet is a monument to consistency, ready for its journey.
The turntable initiates the rotation, allowing the automated stretch wrapper to apply the clear plastic film tightly around the boxes.
The silent workforce of the factory floor takes over.
The final stop before global distribution, the automated high bay warehouse.
In this digital library of goods, every pallet has a numbered address. Here, product waits with perfect patience for the call to ship.
A digital order triggers the machine ballet to begin anew.
The final sort. A symphony of logistics, directing each pallet to its specific truck.
Human skill meets machine precision in the final load.
Secured for a 1,000-mile journey, from factory to port.
The first leg of a global journey begins at dusk.
Arrival at the gateway to the world.
Cleared for export, it joins the global trade.
With pinpoint precision, the gantry crane maneuvers the sensitive cargo, lowering the pallet into the refrigerated container.
It's climate-controlled cell for the transoceanic crossing.
From a harvest of tons to a portion for one.
The end of the line. A simple choice on a global shelf.
What starts here in the parking lot ripples outward,